Hey everybody, what's going on? Team Standjo here again. Yeah, I just got destroyed by that Revenges, but I think I put up a decent fight. But anyway, other than that, we got Asama and Dvzl here fighting once again. Asama using his Megacolony and Dvzl using his reverse deck with Glendios in it. So we'll see how this turns out. You may begin. I don't know who's going first. It's up to y'all.
Stand up, my vanguard.
I don't even think you can say your Vanguard. You have to say the Vanguard because that's definitely not yours.
Stand and draw. Ability. I'll drop that Luquare.
Let me move it away.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. I need these later.
I'm sure.
Alright, cool. Hey, yo. Alright. Let's see if we have fun fight with this guy.
Maybe stop shuffling.
It's fine. Alright. Ride. Siete.
Swing.
Ooh, yeah, that's one card. Yeah, there you go.
Pretty
Alright, cool. Felt like two.
15.
Hit me. You wanna stop something from that? I'll let you do it.
Nah.
If
That was something I would have.
Ability activate. Okay. Glendios.
Yay. That tier 1 card. Filth.
Ain't just so great.
It's dirt.
So I know what I'm not doing this game.
Yeah, I know. That's the best part.
You even know what I'm talking about?
Yep, break riding.
That's not what I'm talking about. Not at all. Definitely not at all. Ride. None.
Pass.
What?
Draw trick. Power, I draw. Ability activate.
Oh, you want to get my son?
Of course. He just got here. Rebirth.
Yay. Tier 1 also.
Do you create these tales yourself?
No. Go on YouTube. Otaku Desu, this, that, and the third.
That's the Japanese meta, though.
I don't get
It's a
it.
different meta here. Go.
The meta's practically the same.
No, it's not. Not at all.
19.
No god.
Healing that damage.
Sure. Draw trigger. Draw my card. Stand and draw. How many of these I got, man?
Like 4.
3. Ride, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not that. Nice. 11.
2.
Okie dokie. Go.
19.
No bad.
I swear to God, it's 20 when I'm fooling myself.
It's 19.
Okay, screw. 16.
Stand and draw. Ability activate. The long call. Yeah, you.
That's my son.
Lock that front one, yeah. Let me Omega lock these cards, too. Okie dokie. Where we at? Where we at? I think that's good for now.
Really?
Yeah, that's good for now. 11.
2.
15. Go.
Cool.
Thank you.
23.
Vanguard?
Rebirth.
I want to let that happen.
There you go.
How much is it?
23.
2. Stand and draw.
I must always sit under the fear of being world ended.
Oh, lock that back row. Alrighty. Is it time yet? Yes, it is. Don't call that right. And yeah. Counter blast.
I'm guessing you're gonna get
1, 2, 3.
You're gonna get your damage back right now, aren't you?
Next turn. Omega lock. And 18.
I mean, you put stand in it? Still?
Nah.
Oh.
Swing.
All effects here. Power here. Heal.
Power.
I'm my turn.
11.
Vanguard. Go.
No.
Rebirth. Rebirth.
Yeah.
Two. Is the limit break gonna make a lock? Wow. Okay, lucky you, man. Stand and draw. I guess it would defeat the purpose to do that, but might as well, right? Lock that.
Oh, I see.
Alright. I guess it don't matter now. 18. Let's check. Let's see. I think that's it for now.
Draw. $11.
2.
Rebirth.
Sure. Unlock all your cards.
You got that one.
All of them.
That one too?
I didn't know Mega Lock.
Yeah, but didn't you block it that turn?
I didn't.
Mega
Lock.
okay.
Stand and draw. You, good sir, can lock that rigger. Yes, you can. And I, 18.
Swing.
Check and check. 15. 15. Go.
River. 33.
Come at me.
Oh boy.
You want
Crit.
that?
Power. Power heal.
Standing there. You gonna lock your card, by the way.
How you stand those?
Yeah, you gonna lock your card. What's in here? What's in here?
That's some queer.
Just two.
And cradle.
Just two. Lock behind the Vanguard. 15 to your rear. Move yes. This is just so much fun.
This is such a blow.
I'll save that.
15.
2.
Cradle.
2.
Draw. I know how I'm gonna end up going out.
Stand and draw. I should have Omega Lock last turn. That's crazy. You can unlock your card. Any more reverse units? I'm out? That's crazy. I'm usually never out. It seems like a waste. Yeah, it seems like a waste. Counter blast. 1, 2. And just for you, the quid, because I know you like the quid, right? Just take these 3. Is that cool with you? Alright, cool.
Get out my face.
Alright, how are you gonna get that damage back?
Damn, I'm gonna get that damage back.
We're just saying here with decks in our hands because you want to play this game.
You're the one that's not fighting back.
Lock the back row.
I'm not trying to get world ended.
And I will unflip 4.
Trust me, if I can run 16 crit in this deck, I'd do it against Glendios. Just so I can double crit him every time.
You wouldn't. Yeah, that's it for now. And my turn. Yeah, let's go.
Yo, son, that's crazy.
2.
Cradle.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Yo, I'm gonna lose because I'm deck out. I'm not getting world end, son. It's not happening. We're playing this game. I'll wrap the deck out and get world ended. Because I know I'm gonna come short and I'm probably not gonna kill you.
Give yourself a lock card. Give yourself a lock card.
I'm just making you waste your deck now.
Give yourself a lock card. I kind of blasted. Yeah, no, I did. And give yourself a lock card.
That was 4 cards.
Indeed, 4 cards.
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, cool.
You ain't getting that damage back on the head.
Who, me?
Oh, on my line.
Who, me?
Alright, okay. I get some lies.
Is that your word?
Nah, oh.
Thought that was your word, huh?
Nah, ain't.
Ain't your word?
I promise anymore.
Let me play that little quid for you. Let's see if you can fight too. And now I'm gonna flip my 4. 4. Now let's keep that locked.
That's my son.
That it is. That it is.
Oh, you're actually gonna hit him and stuff?
That seemed like a waste of cards. 2. Let me see 2. Okay, that's good. That's good news. That's very good news. 17.
Swing.
Power and liquid draw. Second check. Okay.
Hey, Ellie.
I had no reason to do that then. 15.
Might as well keep looking.
20. Move's yours.
I'm gonna die anyway, right?
Full on.
31 to crit.
Now.
Stop clear.
Oh, you want to stop Liquid? Well, you can kill Liquid too. That's what you can do. Oh, no. Can't stand. Because you want to do all that good jazz, right? Hey, how you doing? Ride Omega Glendios. I'm going to call this bad chick right here, right? Oh, wait, yeah.
You probably.
Nothing to lock. But, take that back in my hand, right? And I'll make a lock. Alright. Is that it? Yeah. 11.
2.
Draw check.
Mm.
And my turn.
That's a nice card.
Whoo! Alright.
What a pain.
Glendios.
So annoying.